This is what Mama does after getting a bath. Playful after getting her bath. And she is literally just playing with Jasmine. And yet they consider these dogs to be vicious. Huh, yeah, okay. But yet they were once called nanny dogs. I don't understand that. You can call them vicious, you can call them what you want, but this dog absolutely loves my children. And Jazzy absolutely loves her. Mamas! Hi, honey.
Mine.
No, my dog, but okay. Mamas! Okay, sorry guys, y'all got a little bit of a close-up of her. So yeah, she's being playful. Mama dog, are you okay? I know she did. Acts like a newborn pup after getting a bath. And getting dipped, because that's what happened. She got fleas off of her today. And she's sitting here playing with Jasmine. Be careful how you play with her. Get her, Mama. You stupid bitch. Oh, Mama dog. Ow, that actually hurt. Yeah, I know. She's got claws. Mama dogs. Mama. Mamas. Mama dog. Good girl. Yes, you are. You're a good girl.
Oh, she's having a